The Devices page is where you'll view and manage the monitored components of your infrastructure, including traditional devices and cloud resources. It's also where you can add new devices and cloud accounts into monitoring and remove old ones. Properties and credentials are also managed here on a per device or per group basis. The Devices page provides device-centric and group-centric views of metrics and alerts, and it allows you to tune monitoring and alerting at the device level or the group level. The device tree on the left is the primary navigation tool. It's structured into a standard hierarchy, which is organized based on groups and subgroups. The groups can be either standard groups, meaning you add devices manually, or dynamic groups, meaning devices automatically inherit group membership based on their attributes. Within the groups are the devices and the cloud instances that you're monitoring. You can use the search box at the top of the tree to find something specific, or you can simply browse through the levels of the tree hierarchy. Let's take a look at how the tree is structured. The organization is based on groups, which can contain multiple levels of child groups, and then below that you have devices, which are the things you're monitoring. Each device consists of many individual monitored components, which are referred to in Logic Monitor as instances. The instances for a device are determined by the logic modules in the account that are applied to the device. So when you're viewing one of your devices, you'll see instances grouped based on data sources. If you're working on something related to a specific device or a specific group, you can use the focus icon at the top of the tree to zero in on that level. Clicking the tree icon will take you back to the root level, or you can navigate back through the hierarchy one level at a time using the drop-down or the arrow next to the tree icon. The icons on the left-hand side of each level indicate which type of object you're looking at. They'll also help to draw your attention to problem areas. When you have an active alert in the account for one of the devices, the device icon will change to an alert icon based on the severity level of the alert. When the groups are minimized, the alert icon will display at the group level. Then, as you drill down, the icon will display only at the relevant level of the tree, ultimately displaying only on the instance of the data source that triggered the alert. If a collector for one of the groups or one of the devices is unreachable, or if monitoring or alerting is disabled for a device or group, you'll see an indication on the right-hand side of the tree.